am in Sweden. Just like that. Literally just decided to come here. Hopped on a train. It was more like a metro than a train. Just reminded me of the tube in London. Just like that, I'm in Sweden. It was only a 40-minute train. They didn't even check my passport or my Eurail pass. Like, no one gives a. They're just so chill here. And now I've just got a few hours to explore this town in Sweden and see some cool stuff that I already researched. Just super spontaneous. Most spontaneous thing I've done yet in the trip. I heard the people behind me talking when I was coming up the escalator in the train station, just laughing about how they just did the exact same thing. I turned around and I was like, oh, you guys too? And they were just like, yeah, we just decided to do this a couple hours ago. I was like, same with me. Now we're just in Sweden. And they didn't like, they don't care. You just go back and forth in Scandinavia and they're just chill. It's pretty awesome. I like this ring I got in Denmark. It's imbued with the power of Thor, so you know, thought that might come in handy. What the hell, dude? All right. Side quest to Sweden is over. Getting on the train in just a minute to go back to Copenhagen. It's fun. Flew my drone, nice little park. And, got a nice little Swedish souvenir, just had a Swedish beer. I was a little worried for a second because it said Central Station was closed at 8 p.m. I was like, oh no, I can't not be stuck in Sweden. I'm good now. Just gotta get on this train and get back to Copenhagen. And then tomorrow I head to Amsterdam, which is, oh God, look at my hair. It's crazy. I think I hear the train coming. Nope, different train. But anyways, this was fun. Sweden was cool. So this is crazy. It's an old elevator in this hostel. It was literally out of service earlier today. And the elevator comes, knocks this door. Hell no. It doesn't even go up to the 6th floor. Oh, this is how I fall and drop to my death. It's gonna break down with me in it. I'm gonna spend the night in this elevator. Oh my God, it's so jerky. So weird. I think it just locks. Or it stays like this. Someone else calls it. It's an interesting hostel. Yeah, earlier it was out of service and I had to walk up my super heavy bag all the way to the 6th floor. It's like almost 1 a.m. when my roommates are asleep.